Hello and welcome back to Tricky Track Spoken Indian English. My name is Manav.
Good morning. My name is Simran. Let's get started. 100 questions in English.
How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Simran.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Where were you born?
I was born in Delhi.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in Delhi.
What do you do?
I'm an English trainer.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
How many siblings do you have?
I have a younger brother.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and traveling.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you exercise every day?
No, I exercise 3 times a week.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 2 languages.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 7 a.m.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at midnight.
How is the weather today?
It's fine today.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What sport can you play?
I can play football.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, certainly.
Can you lend me $50,000?
Yes, I can.
Are you tired?
Not at all.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm a little bit hungry.
Can you cook food?
Yes, I can.
Can you play cricket?
No, I can't.
Are you rich?
Yes, I'm rich.
Do you like to use social media?
Yes, I like to use social media.
Do you like pet?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What are your educational qualifications?
I have a BA and an MA in English from Delhi University.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm glad to talk to you.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is navy blue.
Do you have any phobias?
Yes, I'm afraid of fire.
What is your strength?
My strength is my confidence.
What's your favorite holiday?
Lori is my favorite holiday.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm an introvert.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
I'm a night person.
What makes you happy?
My friend makes me happy.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I'm friendly. Are you a genius?
I don't know.
What is your dream profession? My dream is to become a successful English trainer.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
Are you famous?
No, I'm not famous.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
What kind of dance can you do?
Bhangra?
Do you often dye your hair?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite hair color?
I really like black hair.
Do you like fashion?
Yes, I love fashion.
Are you fashionable?
Yes, I am. Can you sing?
Yes, I can.
Who do you admire the most?
I think my father.
Are you a workaholic? Yes, very much. What color are your eyes? Brown?
Do you have a lot of friends?
Yes, I think so.
Are you a vegan?
Yes, I am.
How often do you take a selfie?
Once a week.
Do you like to play mobile games?
No, I don't like.
What's something you hate doing?
Washing dishes.
Are you quiet or a talkative person?
Quiet with strangers, but talkative with friends.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
What is more important, beauty or personality?
Personality, of course.
Who knows you best?
My mother.
Are you addicted to anything?
Yes, tea.
What is your best feature?
My eyes.
How often do you eat fast food?
Once a week.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What was your first job?
Teacher.
Do you have a good sense of humor?
I think so.
How do you relieve your stress?
By yoga.
What kind of men do you like?
So kind and loyal.
Are you vegan?
Yes, I am.
What food do you cook well?
Vegan food.
Do you have any tattoos?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to wear jeans or salwar kurta?
I think jeans.
What makes you angry?
When people are disrespectful.
How often do you check your phone?
Too much.
Is life beautiful?
Yes, it is.
Can I have your phone number?
No.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
Optimist.
Are men better than women?
No.
What makes you awesome?
I don't know.
Are you a romantic person?
No.
Do you like children?
Yes, I love children.
Do you prefer ice cream or cake?
I prefer ice cream.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate aloo paratha with milk.
What did you do last night?
I watched the cricket match.
Are you clean or a messy person?
Fairly clean.
Do you get bored easily?
Yes, I do.
What makes a happy marriage?
The man listening to the woman.
Do you have a master's degree?
Yes, I do.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite fruit?
Mango?
Are you addicted to anything?
Yes, tea.
What is your best feature?
My eyes.
What is more important, beauty or personality?
Personality, of course.
Who knows you best?
My mother.
What's something you hate doing?
Washing dishes.
Are you quiet or a talkative person?
Quiet with strangers, but talkative with friends.
Welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.